Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can collaborate in real time on the Google Sheets. So, if you want to work together with your partner to work on a project and you want to edit your work together, you can do it easily on the Google Sheets. So, what you need to do is just open the file or the project that you are doing on the Google Sheets. And then here to collaborate or work together in Google Sheets, you need to first share the file. So in here, click on the share button at the top and then add the people to this project, this document. For example, this one. And here, notify them so that they can know directly where they can access this file and choose their role as editor so they can also edit the document. Click on send. And now what they need to do is just open the file. So when they are online, you'll see the notification or their photo profile at the top in here. And you can just work together in this Google Sheets now. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.